More ships to arrive in 24 hours, hundreds of Jamaicans to return home. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Also this evening, brace for price increases, farmers sound the warning, and Labor Day 2020, tough times for hardware stores. There's also sports commentary and weather in this newscast. But before the break, we have the feedback question. And this evening we're asking, CSEC and CAPE students are set to return to school in June. How have you been preparing them for school during the COVID-19 pandemic? You may share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam. Stay with us, Primetime News returns right after this break.